Is my air conditioner working? To determine if your air conditioner is working properly, you can follow these steps. 1. Check the thermostat. Ensure that the thermostat is set to cool mode. Make sure the temperature setting is lower than the current room temperature. Check if the thermostat display is functioning and shows the correct settings. 2. Inspect the airflow. Check the vents for proper airflow. If the air is not cool or the airflow is weak, there may be an issue. Make sure the vents are not obstructed by furniture or other objects. 3. Examine the air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter can impede airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Replace the filter if it's dirty. 4. Listen for the AC unit. Go outside and listen to the outdoor unit compressor. It should be running smoothly without any unusual noises. Inside, the fan should be running, and you should hear a consistent hum from the unit. 5. Check for ice or water. Look for ice buildup on the refrigerant lines or the evaporator coil inside the unit. Ice formation can indicate a problem with the refrigerant levels or airflow. Check for water leakage around the indoor unit, which might indicate a clogged drain line. 6. Feel the air from the unit. If the air coming from the vents is not cool, there might be an issue with the refrigerant or the compressor. 7. Check the circuit breaker. Ensure that the circuit breaker for the air conditioner is not tripped. Reset it if necessary. 8. Inspect for error codes. Some modern thermostats or AC units display error codes when there's an issue. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting based on these codes. 9. Energy bills. A sudden increase in your energy bill can be a sign that your AC is working harder than it should, indicating a potential issue. When to call a professional. If you've checked all these items and your air conditioner still isn't working properly, it's time to call a professional HVAC technician. They can diagnose and fix issues related to refrigerant levels, electrical components, and other complex problems. Would you like more detailed information on any of these steps?